Hello there, welcome to your Scottish forecast from the Met Office. Now, over the next few days, it's going to feel warm in the sunshine. Let me take you through the bigger picture. High pressure sits towards the east of the country. This weak weather front through Friday will push towards the far northeast, taking with it the cloud and also patchy rain. Always more of a breeze across western Scotland, and again we could see more clouds skirting these parts through Saturday. Generally speaking, it's a fine set of days, calm and feeling warm in the sunshine before we see something a bit more showery move in from the west on Sunday. For the time being, that's Thursday evening. You can see where the cloud is and also some patchy rain pushing from the western side of Scotland, northwest Scotland, up towards Sutherland and Caithness, covering Orkney through the evening and overnight, eventually reaching Shetland. Now, a little bit of patchy rain could skirt Aberdeenshire as well before it clears. Towards the southwest, watch out for some low misty clouds, particularly shrouding coastal districts. Elsewhere, some clearer skies to end the night as temperatures dip down to around 8 to 11 degrees Celsius. So a relatively mild start to the day come Friday morning. And Friday morning will dawn bright for many. Yes, a bit more breeze towards western parts of Scotland where the cloud will come and go. And any low cloud elsewhere which has formed overnight will tend to break through the first part of the morning, allowing for some sunshine. Shetland seeing the last of that rain slowly clearing away, so the cloud could break here through the afternoon, and certainly a brighter afternoon for Orkney. Most places seeing some sunny spells. There's a small chance of a shower towards the far northeast of Scotland, particularly for Aberdeenshire, but generally speaking it's a dry afternoon and also it's a warm one. High UV levels as well as temperatures rise to around 18 to 21 degrees Celsius. Now through Friday evening, a lovely evening to be out and about with a lighter wind away from the far west of Scotland for the Outer Hebrides, that cloud coming and going. But overnight, with some starry skies, you may get a glimpse of the northern lights. And into the early hours of the morning, temperatures dipping down to around 8 to 11 degrees Celsius yet again. And again, that cloud just skirting the far northwest into Saturday. So Saturday is going to be a fine day, probably a very warm one as well. Temperatures typically around 18 to 22 degrees Celsius, helped with some lovely May sunshine. Now come Sunday, this is how it looks. We could see some more showers towards the west there, the risk of thunder and perhaps the odd shower cropping up further east. But generally speaking, yet again, some fine conditions with some sunny spells. It's turning more unsettled next week. See you later.